Clouds have been stubborn, a little bit of drizzle, some cold winds. It's been an ugly Monday. The good news is the clouds are going to clear. The bad news is the cold is here to stay. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. Got your 10-day forecast coming up. A completely different week next week, but this week it's all about the cooler temperatures. And look at that drizzle on our time-lapse cam there today over UF. Yeah, not a very nice day indeed. The clouds are going to be breaking overnight into your Tuesday morning thanks to this big monster of a storm developing just off the screen here in the north and east. That nor'easter, that counterclockwise motion, will pull down the Canadian air, which is drier and colder, but at least the drier weather will mean the clouds erode and we should see sunshine for at least 4 or 5 days in a row. Temperatures overnight dropping rapidly once the skies clear. Now, when that happens is kind of the trick here. I think it happens a little sooner, west of 75, a little later, east of 75. The net result, colder where the clouds clear sooner, not as cold where the clouds linger through daybreak. Remember, clouds trap the heat in at night. Then you think the sun warms us up tomorrow. No. It's not. Temperatures are going to struggle because we've got what's called cold air advection, movement of cold air coming in from Georgia and South Carolina. So despite the sunshine, we may actually end up even a few degrees cooler during the day on your Tuesday. Speaking of cooler, the nights will be cool if not cold. Now, I'm not expecting a freeze, but certainly conditions favorable for frost Thursday and Friday morning. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could probably add a 5th day in a row of 30-degree low temperatures in the morning hours. It's all because of that big nor'easter pulling down that Canadian air. See that wind right out of the north, moving all the way down here into the south and east. That relaxes some as we get into Sunday and Monday. A little bubble of warmth ahead of our next storm system. This one's taking the southern route. That's why in my 10-day forecast, you're going to see some unsettled weather. Depending on when it moves in and where it tracks, we could have some heavier rain or thunderstorms sometime around Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. 10-day looking good if you like the cool, crisp, we'll call it festive weather for this time of year. Rebounding temps over the weekend. We stay dry through Monday, but next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, the rain is back, maybe even some thunder.